Rolling river, my friend of good grace, I ponder the glow of soft light on your face, and in that spiritual moment, beguiled in God's bliss, mindfully cocooned in Mother Nature's tender kiss. Each morning walk heralds a brand new day of creation, resolution, wonder and play. Straddling skylines of pensive blue, river reflective silhouette hue. Storm and turbulence rock us to the core as we surf life's ocean earnest and raw. But blessed are we when into view reappears the horizon in its calm of sea blue, to ponder and rehearse life's script line by line. God's healing hands work gently, sublime, and as nature unfolds and time eases on, we are of one spirit in harmony, in song.